Emma, what is this?
How would I know what you're looking at?
I was checking the credit card statement and you know what I found?
What did you find?
We spent almost $1,200 on non-essential things last month.
What? That can't be right.
I thought the same thing, but the numbers don't lie.
Where did you spend all that money?
I didn't. You did.
Me? No way. I couldn't have spent that much.
That's what I thought too. So I went through the transactions one by one.
And what did you find?
Well, let's start with the 3-scented candles.
Oh, those! They were for the living room. And they were on sale, too.
We already had plenty of candles at home. The living room doesn't need to smell like a luxury hotel, you know?
You make it sound like I bought a whole candle store.
Maybe not a whole store, but definitely enough to last us a while. Now, let's talk about those shoes.
But I didn't have that particular style.
Emma, you already have 6 pairs of shoes. Did you really need another pair?
I liked them, and they were on sale.
I know you liked them, but did you really need another pair? How often are you actually going to wear them?
Probably not very often.
That's my point.
Okay, that's fair.
And here's another one. $28 for a food delivery.
That, I was too tired to cook.
Okay, but every other day?
And one more thing I've noticed. We have leftovers at home almost every day. You should cook only as much as we need. Is it really okay to waste food like this?
Okay, you've got a point. I should probably plan our meals better.
And what are all these lotions and creams?
Those are my skincare products.
This many? Do you really use all of them on your face at once?
No, some are hand creams, some are for the daytime, and some are for my nighttime skincare routine.
Really? I use one cream for my whole body.
That's because you don't have a skincare routine.
Maybe, but I don't see much difference in my skin whether I use one cream or 5.
Trust me, your skin would thank you if you took better care of it.
No thanks. My skin and I are doing just fine. I'll leave the 10-step routine to you.
Suit yourself, Mr. One Cream. Suit yourself means do whatever you want, or it is your choice.
And what's this? Curler something?
Oh, that's my hair curler.
Wait, you just bought that a while ago, didn't you?
Yes, but that one is for big curls, and this is for noodle curls.
What? Noodle curls? I can't do this anymore. This is how they fool us.
Who?
Advertising companies and marketers. They give ordinary things fancy names, make us feel like we need them, and suddenly we're spending money on things we never planned to buy.
So, you're saying I fell for their tricks?
Exactly. They give us discounts and limited time offers to make us spend more.
But I really did get a good deal.
A good deal isn't a good deal if you didn't need it in the first place.
In the first place means from the beginning. Emma, Is spending $1,200 on things you could easily live without really a good deal?
I guess not. I see your point.
Emma, saving money isn't about never spending. It's about making sure our hard-earned money goes toward things that truly matter.
What about you? Have you ever bought something just because it was on sale? Tell us about it in the comments.